and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to pop on real quick and share with you a demo and review of my absolute favorite new hair tool. Just a disclaimer real quick, this is not a sponsored video in any shape or form. I purchased this myself on Amazon a couple of weeks ago and it has been such a game changer. So I really wanted to share it with you guys because I know a lot of y'all would really love this. So this is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Airbrush. Essentially, this is like a blow dryer and a curling iron and volumizer all in one. So especially for like a busy mom like me, a college student, whatever, we're all in a hurry in the morning, getting rid of multiple steps in the getting ready process is like amazing, right? So typically in the morning, I'll get out of the shower. I will let my hair kind of air dry while I fix the boys' breakfast, that kind of thing. And then I'll come back up, blow dry my hair, curl my hair, or straighten my hair. But with this Revlon tool, basically I just let my hair air dry a little bit and then I come upstairs and I just use this. And this is gonna not only blow dry my hair, it's also gonna give it volume and just a tiny bit of curl at the end. Because as you can see, I do have a little bit of natural wave, but it's not enough that it looks cute. It's more just kind of like a mullet look. So like it's like straight thin hair with just the slightest wave. So I definitely like to add some curl or just kind of straighten it out a little bit just so it looks less mullety, for lack of a better word. This baby is a game changer, you guys. I had heard rave reviews about it, so I wanted to test it out for myself and see if it was worth the hype. And it 150% is. It's amazing. It's gonna save you a ton of time. It gives you the smoothest, sleekest look. The only product I have in my hair is this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I use this every single morning. It's just gonna kind of get rid of flyaways. It helps with humidity. It's so hot and humid outside, so this is like a must for me. I will link this down below as well. Okay, so let's get started with the Revlon One Step. So just to show you guys what it looks like really quickly, you can see it is a large tool. Obviously, I think it has to be because it's a blow dryer and curling iron in one. So if you think about it, it's gonna be kind of large, but the grip where you hold your hand is indented, so it's easier to grip. You can see obviously it does plug in. It has 3 different settings, a cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting. I always have mine on high just because I think that that's the most effective for my hair. You can see it kind of has an oval design, which is part of the reason that it works so well to really smooth your hair out. It makes it super silky. The rounded edges also give you just a ton of volume and a really nice kind of flippy curl at the end. So yeah, I just love it. And sorry for all the hair in it. I've been using this for like 2 weeks, so I shed like a dog. So I mean, it's gonna happen. Done. Y'all saw that only took a few minutes, so super quick. Typically after I blow dry my hair, like it just looks kind of like a dry poof. Like I still have some wavy sections. I definitely don't have like defined layers. It's not silky smooth. Like to me, this looks like I blow dried and I curled my layers in and everything. And this was just one step. It takes like 2 seconds just to go like this in your hair. Blow dry, curl, you can see it just smooths it right out, makes all of your layers super defined. If you have frizzy hair, it's gonna make it nice and silky. Like literally my hair like feels completely different after I use this Revlon One Step Dryer and Volumizer. So I have been absolutely loving this thing. I mean, this is what my hair looks like with no volumizing products in it whatsoever. So I can only imagine like how much volume and just amazing oomph you could get if you use some volumizing products before you use this. This baby has just saved me so much time over the past few mornings this summer. It's been really hot, so I'm not trying to like be blow drying and curling my hair forever. So just like 5 minutes or less with this baby. Hair is dried, hair is curled, everything looks good and presentable, head out the door. So it saves me a ton of time because I'm using less heat tools for less amount of time. I think it's really improving the quality of my hair. It feels way nicer, way silkier, smoother. So yes, the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer Hot Airbrush 100% lives up to the hype. Highly, highly recommend it. I'm going to include a link in the description box. You can pick it up on Amazon with free Prime shipping, so just you can't beat it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this demo. I have a couple of videos coming up, an Amazon try-on haul and also a FabFitFun fall add-ons video, so stay tuned for those. Be sure to subscribe and head over to my Instagram at BentleyBlonde where I share daily stories and posts. And until next time, bye guys.